idea to go get pancakes. Rock, paper, scissors, who drives?
Okay, so I guess like we're gonna go get pancakes.
Oh yes. Oh yes. You say
I don't know
like,
what's happening.
We're
I
getting
don't
pancakes. We're talking about the pancakes.
We're getting pancakes?
Yes.
We're eating pancakes.
You're playing for Chris.
I don't know what the deal is with these pancakes. There's been a lot of talk, not a lot of action.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Going on and on about pancakes, and I'm like, man, I like some pancakes, but I'm seriously starting to doubt that they even exist.
Okay, so Megan had this idea to get pancakes, and as usual, I'm completely in the dark with what's going on.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Do you guys think I look cool when I wear glasses?
Can you go ahead and close that? Because otherwise this is gonna fall out.
A chronology from 1859 to 2009.
You can't listen to my confessionals.
I mean, the door's open.
I feel almost like people do it on purpose, like it's unnecessary. Like they find places and sentences to talk.
What?
I drove, so I don't have to get the pancake mix. But Dustin's like freaking out about it. I don't know why. He thinks my house is gonna catch on fire because all of my food is in my oven. But I really just don't have storage. Sucker!
Would have been pretty normal. She would have said, hey, we're going to make pancakes. And we get all the way here, there's not even pancake mix.
If it were me, like I would just go to Wendy's or something like that and buy food, but you know.
Oh, let's go to Wendy's. And I'm like, guys, we're all going to grad school and no one can afford Wendy's anymore. And then they're like, well, you're the boss. And it's so nice to finally get recognition.
It's just like this big.
It might make two regular.
Should we go,
I'll just make,
Kroger and get some more?
I'll just make other stuff with it.
What other stuff do you have?
I don't know. Just go to Kroger. It's like I get information on a need-to-know basis most of the time.
I mean, like I'm hungry, but nobody else is really hungry. And I guess that's the reason we're going is because I'm hungry. But I don't really think it's necessary.
So we made it. Pancakes are about to be had, and there's not a whole lot else to say really, other than just can't wait.
Will we get in trouble?
For filming inside.
Yeah. Why?
You're not allowed to actually take pictures inside the store.
Ooh. Is it cheaper?
They're just telling me to like sit here and talk about this, like it's something important, like it's my day job, I guess.
Pancake revolution!
The director just keeps talking, I don't know.
It took Dustin 5 years to pick out a syrup.
It's because it's gonna be great syrup.
They also are blaming the prom on me, and the prom is not even my idea. I don't have anything to do with it. I did not even text Wolf about it. So when he finds out, Wolf, I had nothing to do with the prom.